Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 6th February 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is finally above the level of 11,000 at 53 points up more at the level of 11,013 levels. So US markets is doing okay for itself these days, and 172 points up on Dow Jones, 54 points up on Nasdaq, and 12 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets, SGX Nifty is showing an up move, and seeing the cues from SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's open session and follow to the level of 11,000 probably in today's session itself. Indian markets have done pretty okay for itself yesterday. There was a slight up move to the level of 10,934 levels. The market did go upwards from the level of 10,880, which is a very strong support, where I have told you again and again, if 10,880 is barred, then the next level will be touched. So that's what is happening. 10,926 and 10,936 are very strong resistances for the market, is what I have told you previously. That's what happened yesterday. The market went upwards from there onwards and came down below the level of 10,936 and closed at the level of 10,934. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for? Of course, today we will open above and we will open gap up. So we'll probably not see the level of 10,936 as a resistance. However, 10,936 is a resistance, 10,950 is a resistance, and 11,000 is a resistance, 11,087 is a resistance, 11,171 is a resistance as of now. What are the supports we have to watch out for? The first support being the 10,900 mark itself. Since 10,926 is barred, 10,926 also acts as support as of now. So the level of 10,926, 10,880 and 10,848 levels, which is the 200-day moving average, 10,838, 10,825, 10,801, which is the 50-day moving average, and of course 10,770, 10,750, 10,707, 10,672 are the levels we have to watch out for in the supports. The MACD is showing that we are in a good up move and momentum is great. There is a double digit MACD as of now, and we are seeing that momentum is kicking up in the market as of now as well. And fast stochastic is showing that we are almost entering the overbought zone. We may see some correction very soon in the market if we enter the level of 90. And slow stochastic is quite kind of okay. It's not that much ecstatic as fast stochastic. So slow stochastic is showing we are around the level of 68 levels, where it is not the overbought zone yet. Seeing the cues from everything, that SGX Nifty, US markets and the indicators, Indian markets are poised to go to the level of 11,000 in today's session. If you like this technical knowledge for yourself, if you want this technical analysis knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I will be teaching you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis in my Nifty Intraday options trading workshop, which happens in 91 Springboards Residency Road in Bangalore, and go to webinar for people who can't attend in the physical premises. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.